southwest of Orangeburg, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour when gusts at quarter-size hail. Source,